This one. These two are the same. These two are the same. These two are different. These two are different. Okay, this is not the same. These two are similar. These two are similar. Or these two are close. Close. They're close. One pencil. One pencil. These two pencils are similar. These two pencils are similar. But this pencil and this pen are different. They're different, right? Different. So these two are similar. And this one's different. But these two are the same, maybe. These chalk are the same. These chalk are the same. Now, okay, I want to write. Oh yes, I just want to write. I want to write. I want to write, so I use pencil. I want to write, I want to write, so I use pencil. I don't have pencil. So I got no more pencil. I don't have pencil. I don't have pencil. But I have a pen. I don't have pencil, but I have a pen. Pen. Right. I like water. But I don't like tennis ball. Tennis balls. Ugh. I like water, but I don't like tennis balls. I'm hungry. Oh, hungry. I am hungry, but I don't have food. No food. Food is anything to eat. Anything to eat. Eat. Food.